please explain. Now, the post I had was if you bought a 350k house, how you could, in one scenario, be paying 25,000 in stamp duty, and in another scenario, be paying 2,500 in stamp duty. Now, let me explain. The first person, when they go and try and buy this 350k property, they haven't got the affordability. So their parents say that they'll go on the mortgage with them. What they do is they either go direct or get a mortgage advisor to do a joint mortgage with them, which means the parents and the child are on the mortgage and they've bought the property. Now, this is where the problem starts. Because they've bought the property with the child, they're on the deeds, the land registry deeds. And what that means is if they already own another property, it gives rise to what's called additional property. It's like a second property stamp duty, which actually works out to be 25,000. Now, the first time buyer is no longer considered a first time buyer because the person they're buying with isn't a first time buyer. So that makes their status null and void. Now, the second scenario is where you use what's called a joint borrower. So they all go on the mortgage, just like in scenario one, but sole proprietor. The first time buyer is the only person on the deed, i.e. the title deeds at land registry. Now, because they're the only one officially buying the property, what happens first is they keep their first time buyer status, I should say, and they get exempt for the first 300,000 as of this recording, and they only have to pay stamp duty on the 50,000, which actually ends up being 2,500. Now, the parents don't own it. All they've done is gone on the mortgage, so they don't have rise to any stamp duty at all.